Today, I'll walk you through how to transcribe speech to text in Microsoft OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to convert audio into written text so you can easily capture and organize your thoughts. First, let's get started by opening your OneNote desktop app. If you don't have it installed yet, don't worry, it's available for free on multiple platforms. Once you have it open, navigate to the page where you want to add your transcribed text. This is like setting the stage for a performance. You want to make sure you're in the right spot before the show begins. Next, go to the Insert tab in the menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Transcribe. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose the correct language for your transcription. This step is crucial. Selecting the right language ensures that your transcription will be accurate. Now you have two options. You can either upload an audio file or start recording directly to transcribe the captured audio. If you're recording live, just click the microphone icon to begin. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Take your time to gather your thoughts. If you need to pause the recording, simply click the microphone icon again. This feature is handy, allowing you to take breaks without losing your progress. Once you're finished recording, click the Save and Transcribe Now option. This is like hitting the Finish button on a project. You're almost there. After a moment, the transcribed audio will appear on your screen. You'll have the option to add this text directly to your page. This is where everything comes together, turning your spoken words into written content that you can edit and organize as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully transcribed speech to text in Microsoft OneNote. If you follow these steps, you'll find that capturing your ideas has never been easier. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.